Hello, everyone. When you think of a carrot, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Is it a crunchy snack? Maybe it's a famous cartoon rabbit munching away happily. Or perhaps you remember your parents telling you to eat your carrots so you can see in the dark. That's a super famous story, and it's all because carrots are packed with something called beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A. Vitamin A is brilliant for our eyes, and that's why carrots have this amazing reputation. But what if I told you that was only a tiny part of the story? What if this humble orange vegetable was hiding a whole bunch of other incredible secrets? Today we're going on a fantastic journey inside the carrot to uncover some of its best-kept secrets. Think of it like a treasure hunt. We're going to look past the famous vitamin A and find 5 other amazing nutrients that are hiding inside. These aren't just strange words, they are little helpers that do incredible jobs all over your body, from your bones to your heart and even your tummy. So grab your magnifying glass because we're about to become carrot detectives and reveal the hidden powers of this everyday vegetable. Our first secret nutrient sounds like it's from a spy movie. Vitamin K1. You've probably heard of vitamins A, C, and D, but K is often the forgotten letter of the vitamin alphabet. This is a real shame because vitamin K1, also known as phylloquinone, has a super important job to do inside your body. Have you ever gotten a small cut or a scrape on your knee? You might have noticed that after a little while, the bleeding stops and a scab starts to form. Well, you have vitamin K1 to thank for that. It's the nutrient that makes this magic happen. Think of vitamin K1 as the body's emergency plaster maker. When you get a cut, your body needs to quickly build a tiny plug to stop the blood from leaking out. But that's not its only job. Vitamin K1 also works as a trusty sidekick to another important mineral, calcium. You know that calcium is fantastic for building strong bones and teeth, right? Well, vitamin K1 helps direct the calcium to the right places. It acts like a traffic controller. This helps keep your skeleton strong and sturdy, which is especially important while you're growing, and it helps keep bones healthy as you get older too. Our next secret nutrient is a mineral with a really cool name: potassium. You might have heard about potassium in bananas, but guess what? Carrots are a great source of it too. Potassium is a type of electrolyte, which sounds very scientific, but it's actually quite simple. Think of your body like a big battery. Electrolytes like potassium are what help carry the electrical signals that make everything work. Your nerves use these signals to talk to your muscles, telling them when to move, and your heart uses them to know when to beat. One of potassium's most important jobs is to help control the balance of fluids in your body. It works in a team with another mineral, sodium, which you find in salt. While sodium tends to pull water into your body's cells, potassium helps to push it out. This balancing act is crucial for keeping your blood pressure at a healthy level. When you have enough potassium, it helps your body get rid of extra sodium and relaxes the walls of your blood vessels. This makes it easier for your heart to pump blood all around your body, which is fantastic for keeping your heart healthy and strong for your whole life. We all know about beta-carotene, the superstar that gives carrots their bright orange color and turns into vitamin A. But did you know it has a slightly less famous but equally amazing cousin? Meet our next secret nutrient, alpha-carotene. Just like its relative, alpha-carotene is a type of carotenoid, which is a fancy word for the natural pigments that give many fruits and vegetables their beautiful colors. Alpha-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant. Now, antioxidant is a word we hear a lot, but what does it actually mean? Imagine your body's cells are like shiny new cars. Over time, things called free radicals, which are like tiny bits of rust, can damage them. Antioxidants are like a special polish that cleans off the rust and protects the cars from further damage. Alpha-carotene travels around your body, neutralizing these harmful free radicals and helping to keep your cells healthy and working as they should. Scientists have become very interested in alpha-carotene because studies have shown it might be particularly good at its job. Some research suggests that alpha-carotene could be even more powerful than its famous cousin, beta-carotene, in certain protective roles within the body. While more studies are needed, it's exciting to think that carrots contain this extra special defender. So, when you see that vibrant orange hue of a carrot, you can now think of it as a sign of double the antioxidant power. Our fourth hidden treasure isn't a vitamin or a mineral, but a special type of fiber called pectin. You might have heard of pectin if you've ever seen someone make jam. as it's the stuff that helps it get thick and wobbly. But when you eat it in a raw or cooked carrot, pectin does something amazing inside your tummy. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber, which means it dissolves in water to form a thick, gel-like substance in your digestive system. This gel has some incredible health benefits that you might not expect from a simple carrot. First off, this pectin gel is fantastic for your digestion. It acts like a gentle broom, slowing down the process of digestion just enough for your body to absorb all the wonderful nutrients from the food you eat. It also helps to soften your poo, making it easier to go to the toilet and helping to prevent constipation. But that's not all. This gel is also food for the friendly bacteria that live in your gut. These tiny helpers are essential for a healthy tummy. The gel-like substance formed by pectin also plays a clever trick to help keep your heart healthy. As it moves through your digestive system, it can trap substances like cholesterol and prevent them from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Think of it like a sticky trap that catches the bad guys before they can cause any trouble. By helping to lower levels of bad cholesterol, pectin contributes to keeping your arteries clear and your heart in great shape. Furthermore, because pectin slows down how quickly your stomach empties, it can help you feel fuller for longer after you eat. This is why a snack of carrots can be so satisfying. Our final secret nutrient is another amazing carotenoid with a beautiful name, lutein. Just like alpha-carotene, lutein is one of the natural color pigments found in carrots, although it's more famous for being in green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale. Carrots, especially yellow and orange ones, are also a great source of this special compound. While our bodies can't turn lutein into vitamin A, it has its own unique and incredibly important job to do. Lutein is best known as the eye vitamin because it plays a starring role in protecting our vision in a very specific way. Think of lutein as a pair of internal sunglasses for your eyes. It travels through your body and collects in a part of your eye called the macula, which is right in the center of your retina. The macula is responsible for your sharp, detailed central vision, the kind you need for reading a book, seeing faces clearly, or watching a movie. Lutein helps to filter out harmful, high-energy blue light from the sun and from screens, which can damage the sensitive cells in the macula over time. By acting as a natural sunblock, lutein helps to protect your precious eyesight from this daily exposure. This protective power is so important. As people get older, the risk of developing eye conditions that affect the macula increases. Having plenty of lutein in your diet throughout your life is thought to be a fantastic way to support your eye health long-term. So, while vitamin A from carrots helps you see in low light, lutein is the hero that protects your detailed color vision. The two work together as a perfect team to cover all aspects of eye health. Wow, what a journey. We've peeled back the layers and discovered that carrots are so much more than just a source of vitamin A. We've found the secret alphabet vitamin, K1, which helps our cuts heal and our bones stay strong. We've uncovered the power of potassium, the mineral that keeps our heart beating steadily and our muscles working properly. We met beta-carotene's amazing cousin, alpha-carotene, an extra powerful antioxidant that protects our cells. We learned about pectin, the fantastic fiber that keeps our tummies happy, and finally lutein, the internal sunglasses that protect our eyes from damaging light. So how can you get more of this crunchy goodness into your life? The possibilities are endless. You can munch on raw baby carrots as a quick and easy snack. You can grate them into salads for a pop of color and sweetness, or add them to your spaghetti bolognese sauce. They'll cook down and make the sauce even tastier. Try roasting carrot sticks in the oven with a little bit of honey or herbs for a delicious side dish. You can even blend them into a smoothie with an orange and a bit of ginger for a refreshing and nutritious drink. Don't forget that carrots come in other colors too, like purple, yellow, and white, and each has a slightly different mix of these amazing nutrients. The most important thing is to have fun with it. Experiment in the kitchen and find the ways you love to eat them most. By adding more carrots to your meals, you're not just eating a vegetable. You're unlocking a treasure chest of hidden nutrients that will help you stay healthy, strong, and full of energy. Happy crunching! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing